Hello, welcome back to my YouTube family. Hopefully, you are all fine. So, guys, today my topic is what is Google Chrome? So, I will open here a new browser of Google Chrome and type here what is Google Chrome. As you can see here, there is a too many. First of all, you can see it's a picture of Google Chrome. And what is Google Chrome browser? Definition from Tech Target. Google Chrome is a free web to use for accessing the internet and running web-based applications. The Google Chrome is based on whatever there are too many. It is actually a browser of Google Chrome is a browser that is running internet free browser. They're based on applications. Here is another you can see Google Chrome browser is a free web browser used to accessing the internet and running web browser based on application. The Google Chrome browser is based on the open source Chromium web browser project Google raised in 2008 and issues several updates a year. Here is also a definition of tech target. First of all, here is another option. What is Google Chrome used for? Why we use Google Chrome? What are the benefits of Google Chrome? There are some things that are mentioned here. You can see below. For example, Google is a multinational tech giant providing an array of products like email, maps, docs, Excel sheets, calling, and more. However, its primary objective is to provide information, and Google Chrome is a cross-platform web browser developed by many other things, as you can see here. Hopefully you understand a little bit and there is other questions you can ask me in a comment box and comment section. Please like my video and if you are new on my channel so kindly subscribe it and also press the bell icon for latest update of my channel or my videos. As you can see, I highlight there it is all about the Google Chrome. So hopefully you clear all the process. In the next video, we will see what is Google Chrome and how here in this video first part we all okay that what is Google Chrome and in the second part of our video I will discuss what are the parts of Google Chrome and what are the setting of Google Chrome and how we use Google Chrome for search engine. So guys, hopefully you like my video, so kindly like it and subscribe also my channel and I can also use Google Chrome because it is very lenient and it is easy to use. You can easily install it in your PC, in your system, even in your mobile phones, in your cell phones, in your personal phones, as you wish. You can work all the process on Google Chrome. It is a search engine best for application. Hopefully you understand it. So guys, take care and we will meet in another video. So bye bye.